Okay, good evening, my fellow residents of Belmopan. Today I would like to point out two things. First, I would like to congratulate the Belmopan City Council and the road safety project they are doing. I think it's an excellent project. It is definitely going to enhance Belmopan. It's going to make it safer for pedestrians especially. And it's definitely going to make the city look a lot nicer aesthetically. But I have to also point out when I see when things go down the route of the 3Ps or piss poor planning. If you can see on this map, this is the Northern Ring Road. I believe last week they started construction on Floriana Avenue here. They ripped up this whole area here so no one can go into or out of this intersection. No problem there. That's fine. However, they moved along and then ripped up this intersection that goes into Mango Street, Nancy Street and Orange Street. Nothing wrong with that either. Have some patience. I'll get to the point. Now, today they moved up to the intersection at Rio Grande Avenue and ripped that up. So now you have these three intersections, Rio Grande Avenue, the intersection going into Mango Street, Nancy Street and Orange Street, and Floriana Avenue where no vehicular traffic can go into or out of. The only place that they didn't rip up was Rio Hondo Avenue. So now all the residents in this area, in this entire area, now have to use Rio Hondo Avenue. The people from Mango Street, Nancy Street, Orange Street, they can't come out this intersection anymore. They have to drive all the way around, get on Rio Hondo Avenue so that they can intersect with the Northern Ring Road and get to work or wherever it is that they're going. Also, these people from this area, they can either come this way and get on Rio Hondo Avenue so that they can hit the Northern Ring Road, or what I did today, because the traffic was so backed up all the way, the full length of Rio Hondo Avenue, I drove all the way around near the US Embassy so that I can hit this street here that's called the Queen Elizabeth II Boulevard by the Western Hospital, and then hit Constitution Drive, and then the Southern Ring Road all the way over to Our Lady of Guadalupe preschool to drop off my daughter because the traffic was so backed up at Rio Hondo Avenue. Now here's the part that is called the piss poor planning part. Why would they start renovations on this intersection, leave that, start renovations on this intersection, leave that, then start renovations on this intersection without finishing this, then starting on this, then finishing that, then starting on this? Now we have the entire ring road almost torn up and not one section of it is finished. It is causing massive traffic congestions all over the city, and this is simply illogical. It is piss poor planning and it is inconsiderate because it is causing serious inconvenience for the residents of Belmopan. which engineer or whoever is making the decisions, guys, you may very well be upsetting residents more than impressing them with fixing streets. With that said, I thank you for your time, residents of Belmopan, and voice your comments, voice your opinions, your questions, your concerns, because if we don't, then the city council and whoever is in charge will consider that consent. I thank you for your time and have a good night.